Hi everyone, so I am making this video to show you in case you are feeling or checking how you can replace the car battery. So what happened was I left the light of my car on during the day and completely drained the battery. So the last two times this happened, I just got someone to come and um, jumpstart the car. But this time I decided to take the battery to the local battery shop and get it charged. So got charged overnight. I paid 100 rupees, and here's me just putting the battery back in. So while removing the battery, you can see this here we have the negative terminal. This is the positive, and the negative terminal is usually connected via a black wire. So you can see that here. So while unplugging, make sure you remove using the um, negative terminal first and then unplug the positive terminal. So here's me, this is me just tightening the frame, make one while putting it back. So that is the first thing to do. And then once you do that, then it's just about putting the battery in. So that I'm doing here. So I just need to tighten the, so you have to reverse the order first, put in the positive terminal first, connect the positive terminal first, and then connect the negative terminal, and then your car will run again. Thank you. That was it for this video.